Good morning, my gorgeous humans of the internet. Guys, welcome back to the channel. So my last vlog was a prep and pack with me for a trip, and see, I've been here in Delta for the past 4-5 days now and I've not vlogged a single thing, not a single thing. So yeah, I told you guys in my last vlog that I came for Henry's grandmother's burial celebration of life, and yeah, I got here on the 14th. I went to my grandfather's house, slept there, came to Oli where they are doing the burial, and the next day 15 we did the service of song. So if you're Nigerian, I don't know if other country do it, but we do service of song. Yeah, so after the service of song, the next day was the burial, which was on Friday. The burial was really a celebration of life, really. So yeah, I'm just, if I can I don't know if I took any video, but I'm just going to show you my makeup I did that day and the dress I wore. The dress I wore was so beautiful. Gown I wore, Henry's younger sister made it for me. It was so beautiful. I was really in love with myself, like. And yesterday I just took time to rest in the hotel, sleep, and yeah. So today's Sunday. I was supposed to go today, but I was like, okay, let me just wait and go for the Thanksgiving, because after burial you go for Thanksgiving to thank God for the successful burial. Or yeah, so tomorrow is Monday. I'll be traveling back, and yeah, look at my eyebrows. The woman that is my makeup did a good job, but when she was, you know, shaving my eyebrows, I was like, okay, maybe she's just removing small, because I could not feel her take out more. See how tiny this looks. So she expects me to draw my eyebrows every single day. This is so tiny. I just look weird right now with my tiny eyebrows. I was so pissed when I took my makeup that day. So annoying, but the makeup was so good that I could not even get angry for long. But why would she do this to my eyebrows? Just like I said, today is Sunday and today is Thanksgiving. I start getting everything ready around, let's say 9, because we're supposed to leave for church by 10. But yeah, we are in the hotel. I'm not sure I showed you this hotel. It's just giving me mixed emotion because the outside is so big, but the room is just somehow, the interior decoration is just feels off. Everything feels morning, you guys. It's the next day. I'm about to go to the airport now. My flight was for 9:50, but they shifted to 11:30, I think. So yeah, so I slept in a bit. The last time they shifted my flights, when I was coming from 2 to 4, and today now from 9 to 11. It's so annoying. What's up, guys? So I'm back home, back in my room, as you can see. Yeah, so happy back. Today's trip was so stressful because first of all, they shifted my flight from 9 to 11 and we started boarding around 12 something. So very annoying, but that's by the way. I'm home, thank God for safe trip. So happy. And right now I'm just going to put myself in order, try to clean a bit. I wanted to call the cleaners to come today, but it is past 2, so I'm just going to clean a bit and maybe call her tomorrow morning to come. But yeah, I'm just going to change into something more comfortable because I'm wearing a t-shirt and jean trousers. So I'm just going to, you know, try to. I'm really tired, guys. I'll talk to you guys in a bit, but I'm home now. That's all. I'm home. These eyebrows, they make me look weird and tired and sick at the same time. I feel like I look really sick. See how tiny my eyebrows are. I really don't like this. Moon, let me talk. I'll come back again. Oh. But that's by the way. I was just unpacking my things. Oh, Moon. I was just unpacking my things, and I'm one of those people that like to unpack immediately they come back from travel. I just come back like this, the next thing is to unpack and try to put the house in order. But before that, I'm almost done unpacking, but I've removed everything from my traveling bag. So while removing everything, I saw these things I bought from my friend, so let's do a haul. They are so cute, guys. You would really want to see them. The first thing I bought is this water bottle. It's plastic, not glass, but the first thing is this water bottle. See, it came with this strap inside. I think you put it here. I'm trying to fix it. See it. It's really cute. I can take it to the gym. So the next thing I bought is this neck massager. I don't know if you can see it, but is this one? This is how it came. This is the massager. I don't know. I think, am I supposed to wear it like this? Because the video I saw that made me buy it, the person wore it like this on their neck. So I don't know. I'll read the manual and see how it works, but this is how it is. So the next thing I bought is this Life makeup multi-purpose desk lamp. It's like a mirror tripod ring light thing. This is how it is. See the name here, Life makeup multi-purpose desk lamp. So, oh, this is so cute. I bought the pink color. It's white. It's white. See, it's so portable. You can keep it like this in your vanity or just leave it open. How do I remove it now? Okay, this is it. And it came with this thing for your phone, to clip in your phone. Let me try and set it up and show you. I plugged it to my power bank. So I think you can put your phone here. Let me put my phone here and show you where. To turn it on, press here. This is so cool. So the next thing I bought is this thing to remove your pot from the stove. See how tiny it is. I wish I got two. Oh, it's two inside. Two inside. This is so nice. One here and one here. Boom, boom, boom. This is so nice. Like removing in your pot. It's silicone. The last thing I bought is this power sharpener for your knife to sharpen. My knives are so dull. Like this is how it came. Doesn't need battery. It needs battery to work. I need to go and buy battery for it. So I think you put your knife here and turn it on here, and it starts to sharpen your knife. This is really cool. I'll try it out and tell you if it is worth buying. But yeah, that is all I bought. So anyways guys, I'm just going to end the video here and continue unpacking and trying to fix my house. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.